This is an 8.5-inch writing line, 11-inch width platen typewriter, so it was the smallest of the Selectric typewriter series, about on a par with the later personal Selectric typewriter, which was a mixture of the 1, 2 and 3 series. However, this is the original design, as close to the 1961 Selectric as it can be. This was a machine that was made in 1980. The fabric ribbon I really like on this machine. It offers an economy of typing that the carbon film ribbon Selectrics cannot match. They really are effortless machines to type on, and this particular 721 feels very smooth to use. I find my typing speeds are increased using this machine. It just seems to flow underneath the fingertips when you start typing on the machine. It has most of the standard features that people who are familiar with Selectrics will know. Some things that are absent on this machine that only came on later models are things such as 1.5 line spacing, so this machine only has single or double line spacing. There is no half spacing feature on this typewriter, so this really was the bare bones basic IBM Selectric typewriter. You're getting the golf ball single element typing technology, and this is a fixed pitch machine. This is a 10 pitch typewriter. Selectric ones only came in either 10 or 12 pitch. The advantage of a 10 pitch machine, in my opinion, is that both 10 pitch and 12 pitch elements look good when typing on one of these machines, because with the 12 pitch element the spacing of the letters will be slightly further apart, and this can prove quite effective in certain documents when typing. However, if you have a 12 pitch machine and you try to use a 10 pitch element, some of them can appear too crowded for my liking. So I think of the first Selectric series typewriters, the 10 pitch models are by far the most versatile. Looking up close at the print quality of the fabric ribbon system, using this 12 pitch typing element, I'm very impressed with the quality of print, which does appear superior to both manual and electric type bar machines in its impression. Due to the element typing system, it strikes the paper with less force, and it leaves a clean and clear imprint on the page. So this, to me, appears very much like a carbon film ribbon, but with the economy and longevity of a fabric ribbon. Well, that concludes this quick review of the Selectric. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.